Okay, here fellas, we have the Bosch and grinder, and this one is simply not working. So first thing what I will do, I will plug it in, check it. Oh, it's like blown up sound and something, so probably the armature or only the bushes. But most of the time it's armature and the brush. Okay. Don't forget to take the from the socket when you're opening it. Okay, so the brushes for this one is completely ended out. And okay, can you see the armature? No. Okay, let's try to take the brush out. Okay, it's really very bad. It's it's even worse working on the cable, so that's really not good for the armature. Okay, let's take the second brush. What brush basically? Okay. Now we need to open it to check the motor. And that one brush will hold the armature, I think. Okay, so that it's all what's left from the brush. Basically, that's really not a good sign here. Okay, do we have some kind of folder? No, probably not. Okay. And you can see that the armature is totally destroyed here, and was field. The field is good, so basically we need a new armature for this one, and we need brushes, of course. Okay, I will call the customer and check if he will repair it. Okay fellas, we are back with this one, and let's just check. Of course we have the brushes and we have the armature nicely packed from the Bosch. You can see the part number here. And if you need more parts, you can ask me. I will get a quote because I have not uploaded them to the shop. Oh, nice. Okay. We even have bearing supplied with it, so that's more than nice. Okay. Now we can check if the armatures looks the same. Yeah, that looks the same. Of course the plastic, this one is white, this one is a little bit darker, but the length of the armatures, everything else looks really the same. Okay, let's just change it. We need to unscrew the nut here. Probably it's a 10 millimeters nut. We'll put it to the vise. Okay, release the nut. So this one just go out. The bearing, if it's not wobbled, you have the spare bearing here. And if it's wobble, you can replace it. You just press the gear and the bearing just gets out, so that's a nice little lovely thing. Getting everything fitted back. Pressing the spring ring back. Okay, so it spins around. Now we need to align the gear. So this one just goes to the cycle bin. And this one goes here, aligning the gear on the armature. Messy. Messy. Okay. Now we can hold the nut. Tighten the armature. Check the messages on the phone because maybe it's a wife writing. Okay, tighten it. We need some grease here. We'll just use Makita grease here and it will do the job perfectly. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Now I want to close it. Catching the screws a little bit. We can check if it spins good, of course. Okay, this one is nice, I will cut it. Okay, now it must have spin easily. Okay, okay. Now just putting the cover. There's a grinder like that, and we have the wheel cover holder pin. I think that's how we can name it. So inserting it. making sure again if it spins or not. It spins, that's a good sign for us. Now we can feel the money coming in. The brushes, the part number. Just lifting the brush spring, inserting the brush, and I can see that we have two places for brush to be connected, and probably the most comfortable place for us is here. Okay, one brush are in. Another one I see that I need to lose the spring here. Okay, and basically we can, of course, we can try to connect it here, but I think it's no difference because it's the still same brush holder. Okay, make sure that the brush's wire goes into the gap. And now it's all, we need to try to run it. Okay, I will start it on a lower speed. We are checking the code now. So it's good, don't have any sparks or something on it, so that's very good. I will put a sticker. Okie dokie. Now we need just to close it. Okay, now we will run a test again. So nice, it's working, it's easy to change, and that's all. Thank you for watching, bye.